Welcome, friends. Today we are going to make pencil case out of our Ziplock, and we are using quart Ziplock. You can use any kind of brand. So these are the finished products that we've made already, and you can be as creative as you want to be. We normally put this in our Operation Christmas Child box, and so instead of buying pencil cases, which are can be so expensive, we just make them.
We did it.
You did it. So you will be needing a scissor and your duct tape. And so to start with, get your quartz Ziplock and fold it into two, and just leave a little space here. Don't fold it all the way up, so that it's a nice length. You can also fold it, farther if you want a bigger pencil case. You want to be in my video, honey?
I thought you were talking to somebody on the telephone. What the heck is going on?
That's my crazy husband. And so I chose yellow, and you just put it there, just like that. All right, and fold the ends. There you go. And need to cut it. Jump. Champ wants to be in my video. And let's do the other side. And cut the end here, just to the Ziplock, and fold it.